Good morning. Welcoming all for the e-content development program sponsored by Department of Collegiate Education, Karnataka. I am Dr. Mahadeva Nayakan as working as Assistant Professor, Government First Grade College, Bannur, Mysore District. Program Bachelor of Commerce, subject Principles of Marketing. Semester, second semester, University of Mysore, session 32. The title of session 32 is Retail Marketing, Functions of Retailing. Learning objective to understand the retail marketing functions. The session outcomes: learners are introduced to the understand the concept of functions involved in retail marketing. Functions of retailing. The term retailing is derived from the French word retailer, which means a piece of or to cut up. This implies the breaking of bulk quantities of the retailer. The retailer acquires large quantities of the products and cuts them into smaller quantities and sells them to an individual consumers. However, a comprehensive retail marketing functions requires a combination of many activities. Functions of retailing. The following are some of the major functions. Functions of breaking bulk means buying a large quantity, out of that selling a lot quantity, making it into a small quantities and selling day by day is one of the breaking bulk. Function of creating place utility, stock varieties of goods, providing credit facilities to customer, providing information to customer and wholesaler, estimating the demand and arranging the purchase of the product, acting as consumer agent, marketing function, connecting link. These are some of the functions of retailers. Delivery of goods to the end user or end customer is an essential part of distribution chain. Finances the wholesaler, stores the goods according to market requirements, lends a hand in manufacturing marketing initiative, assumes storage and credit risks, extend credit facilities to the consumers and assumes credit risk, offers wide variety of customers and price range in a product line, provides convenience in shopping, offers after sales and services, differentiated packing, giving more information about the use of the product, hears the voice of the market, and it generates the employment for mass people. Some of the summary of the session we can sum up. Retail marketing makes people to imagine or desire goods that can satisfy their needs. It creates and delivers those goods surpassing the expectation of customers and thereby creating customer delightness. Enlightening the customer is one of the important functions of retail marketing. So, retailing and retailer fulfill the desires of the customer through various channels. Some of the MCQs. Retailing is a market function which, the answer is C, sells products to final consumer. Which of the following market function is one of the retailer could not perform? location analysis cannot be performed. So the answer is C. Some of the references used for the preparation of PPT. You can refer for further information. Market Management by Philip Kotler, Market Management by Rajan Saxena, Principles and Practices by Chunawala. Thank you. Thank you.